It's beginning to look a lot like Advent. Hi, my loves. Welcome to day 14 of the Advent Calendar series. Madam Glam's elves have been busy curating the best Advent calendar out there. I am losing it. I have never seen a nail Advent calendar, let alone all the magic of this year. They specially curated this just with you in mind. Yes, you, the nail artist, the nail tech, the nail lover in you. For both clients and nail techs alike, this box is what the holiday is calling for. But they've truly outdone themselves this year, giving 8 full-size products. That's just insane. So on day 14, y'all, this is a full-size product, also limited edition. So I can't wait to get into all of the magic. So let's get into the magic of day 14. I have to thank you, my beautiful nail family, to everyone that's been coming in day after day. You have truly made this Advent season so special for me, and this holiday season. I couldn't think of a better way to lead up the countdown to Christmas than to spend every day with my nail family. Oh my lordy, crushed up candy canes and diamonds. What in the disco ball is happening over here? We got best year ever. Yeah, Madam Glam, this has been the best year ever. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta put my big strong, my Hulk hands on. And I got that bottle open, but let me tell you, my eyes could not cope with how beautiful this is. This polish is out of control. The glitter they chose, it literally looks like crushed up candy cane. And tinsel. Y'all, we are gonna get right into the swatching. This is so magical. A huge thank you to Madam Glam. I cannot get over. It's like you took all the knowledge of last year and then turned it up 1,000. The fact that this is a full-size 15 ml bottle is just out of this world. The fact that you've already given a nude that looks like a snickerdoodle, or as Mama says, a sugar cookie. It has caramel notes, and that nude was so beautiful. And then this New Year's Eve baby sparkle polish, like, this is so luxurious. You can also use it as a topper if you wanted to just use a thin amount under a base color. Or I'm going to show you here, doing 3 thin coats. You can build this up to get all of the disco ball magic. This is like all of the crushed up tinsel from your Christmas tree and the candy canes in a sparkle formula, literally in nail polish form. You really, like, the one thing I'm going to say for this year, the word is magic. And Madam Glam has cooked up in the cauldron some huge magic and delivered it in Advent calendar box style. I've never seen anything like this color before. And I just like, I'm getting kind of like choked up. Madam Glam, you have really made this festive season so special. And on day 14, I can't wait to put this on my fingertips. This is just amazing. As I was saying before, Madam Glam really gave me my power back. With all of the allergies I was experiencing last year, and it felt so disheartening. And when nails become your passion and a form of empowerment, and then you get that taken away, not being able to use products because you're afraid that you're going to get horrible reactions, skin peeling, all of this. And then actually finding Madam Glam last year with the Advent calendar, like, I had already followed them for years, but it was like that love affair from far away. And I just thought, I'm in Canada, I can never get this. And when my partner surprised me with that box, it was just like a house on fire after that. and then to fast forward with them reaching out, and now to be receiving this calendar, like it's all of the dreams come true. So when Madam Glam calls this the best year ever, this color, Madam Glam, you have made this year for me the best year ever. So thank you so much. And to my beautiful nail family, all of the encouragement and support and coming in every single video. Like, I truly, with my chronic pain, it's hard. And I pour my heart and soul into these videos. So the fact that that translates and you guys enjoy them, it's just like all of my loves merging into this amazing, like, not even trifecta. I don't even know how many things are coming together, but it's just this amazing menagerie of just all of the amazing things. So this wouldn't be possible without you, my family. So thank you so much. And thank you, Madam Glam. And I also can't thank you enough for everybody going into all of the Charm Sisters videos and watching every single one of our videos. It just means everything. I have left all the sister codes below. So that is Mama 30, Priya 30, and RAVENSNAILBAR 30. And that will get you 30% off. But please make sure that not only going over to Mama and Priya, but that you're also going over to Nailed by Envy. All of the Charm Sisters have advent calendar boxes this year, so please don't miss out on all of that magic. So what I was just showing is that I first sealed it in with the base coat. I used their award-winning velvet matte. And then because I wanted to bring that shine back, I just wanted to show you what it could look like matte. We are going in with day 2, no wipe top coat, my favorite top coat, to seal in all of that Christmas magic. Now I did do multiple takes with the ring light, natural light, turning it on and off just so you could see under different lighting how magical this sparkle formula is. It doesn't bulk the nail out. You can work in thin coats, and it is just so vibrant and beautiful. You will be the talk of the holiday party for all the right reasons, walking in with this polish. The best year ever. Whew, Madam Glam, you make my heart beat. Wow, it's so hard to find adequate words because my brain just went, ah, as soon as I saw this color. Just thank you for going over and above, using the best quality products in your product to just deliver this salon quality formula. Whew, I can't wait to see you guys for day 15. Y'all, it's a brush of some kind. It's a tool. It's something, okay? It's something long and beautiful. So come on over to day 15 tomorrow to find out all of the goodies. And I'm so sorry the calendar is sold out, but if you were lucky enough to get one, then I hope that you're unboxing alongside me. Sending all the love and light. Thank you for making 2022 so very special, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Mwah. Love you, family.